Hi everybody, Jenny with Bet in the Farm, and let's do a review today. Alright, so I was contacted by this company called Grub Terra, and they raise and offer black soldier fly larvae. It's a nice size package. I mean, it's really full. It's 16 ounces. And if you go to their website, they're normally $12.95 for a 16-ounce bag. But I have a discount code at the end if you watch. So it says it produces stronger eggshells, keeps feathers healthy, they're farm raised, and 75% plus calcium for the chickens. So it looks like it's going to be really good for them. It says 1 pound of grub equals 20 pounds of food waste saved from landfills. So it's good to know. They're all made local right here in the, or not local, but right here in the United States in New Jersey. So I'm going to go up and give them to the chicks and we'll see what they think of them. All right, so I've not given them any treats yet. So I'm going to do a little test. I'm going to give them some mealworms first. And then I'm going to give them some of the black larvae, black fly larvae, and we'll see if they act any different, just for curiosity's sake. Please, you be nice, don't you attack my camera. Come over here. Okay, here's some mealworms I have left. They're the chubbies, which they love. So here's what they look like inside. So you can see that. Yeah, they're nice size. Okay, ladies, here's the test. Come on. Well, now I'd have to say it seems like they are picking up the pace just a wee bit. Well, and just like that, they're all gone. Sure doesn't take long, does it? I'd like to say they're like little Mikeys and they'll eat anything, but to be honest with you, my chickens honestly don't eat everything. They can be quite picky sometimes, so I am quite impressed. They did go to town on them really fast. Now, of course, I'm not going to know as far as the harder eggshells or anything for a little while, but, you know, I'm all about it if it's a healthier snack. And you know, I like giving them treats and it gives them extra calcium, and I know a lot of those have protein in them as well. Actually, let me read the bag real quick. So it's got 36% crude protein, 35% crude fat, 10% crude fiber, 2 to 5% calcium, and 1.1% lysine, and 0.75% phosphorus. It says that this bag will feed up to 5 chickens per month. So that's quite a bit, actually. All right, so I'm going to say that my chickies really, really liked them and that they're Chickie Mommy approved. So if you would like some, just go to, it's, oh shoot. It is grubterra.com and type in grub10. Use that discount code and then you will get an extra 10% off your first order of the entire website. They have those, and they also have different larvae for reptiles and stuff. So they're just a new company getting started, and you know, that's what we're all about, helping each other out. So speaking of which, if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And don't forget, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram under Bet in the Farm. Bye guys.